Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Winter has never been my favorite season. Plus, the older I get, the less I like it. My only comfort during the season is the food. Hot and hearty. What's better than a nice hot bowl of soup or chili? Actually, there's another dish I really like to make, and it's stew. Here's a fabulous one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my coffee beef stew. This is comfort food at its best. Adding coffee brings another layer of flavor to the dish, along with other great ingredients. This easy recipe is exactly what you and your family need for this season. So my friends, let's get cooking.
This is our beautiful beef blade, and what we'll do is to cut it into 1.5-inch cubes. As they cook, these pieces will shrink. Also, we'll trim off the fat. A little is okay, but not big chunks like this. Ugh. Next, we'll generously season our beef cubes with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Alright, let's move on to the stove. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add oil as well as clarified butter. When it gets hot, working in batches, we'll sear the cubes on all sides. That should take about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll transfer the cubes to a bowl using a slaughter spoon and set aside while working with the remaining ones. When the meat is done, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add the onions. We'll lightly sprinkle on some ground sea salt and saute them until soft, about 4 minutes, while scraping the bottom of the pot to dislodge any brown bits. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute for only 30 seconds before returning the cubes to the Dutch oven, including any accumulated juices. We'll stir the ingredients well and then season with hot paprika, dried thyme leaves, and dried rosemary. Of course, we'll mix them until well distributed. Now, we'll take some flour and working with 1 tablespoon at a time, we'll dust it over the cubes, stir, and repeat. The mixture will become very pasty, and it's okay. That's what we want. We'll then cook for 2 minutes, stirring continuously, and you'll see, it'll start sticking at the bottom of the pot, which is fine, because we'll add dry red wine. Like with the onions, we'll scrape the bottom of the pot. Do you hate it when some chefs tell you how nice it smells? Yeah, well, sorry, but it does smell very good. Next, we'll mix in the tomato paste and the brown sugar. The reasoning behind adding sweet to this is the coffee will bring bitterness. Therefore, the sugar will balance it out. Now, we'll pour in beef broth and strong brewed coffee before adding Worcestershire sauce and a large bay leaf. We'll increase the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture back to a simmer. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium, and cook for 1 hour, stirring every 10-15 minutes. You might have to reduce the heat even lower because we want the mixture to simmer gently. 60 minutes later, we'll add celery, then carrots, and red potatoes. We'll combine the veggies into the mixture, making sure they're somewhat submerged by pushing them down. We'll increase the heat to medium-high and bring our stew back to a simmer. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and cook for 30 to 40 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. When time is up, we'll discard the bay leaf, add the cornstarch mixture, and stir until the sauce thickens. This will happen fast, less than 45 seconds. See, now we have a nice thick sauce to dip our bread in. Yummy! Before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our coffee beef stew. Rich and hearty with bold flavor, this dish is just what's needed for the cold winter months. Although, if you have the same summer that we had last year, you might want to make it. Bottom line, this is a great recipe to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit cookfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!